When you search for the best toolkit for PC building and maintaining, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same promises. But to really understand what works and what's just marketing fluff, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, SDREBITO Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set. The SDREBITO Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set caught my attention with its massive 142-piece collection. Priced at $35.37, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want a comprehensive toolkit that can tackle almost any repair, this is worth a serious look. That wide application means you can fix everything from your computer to gaming consoles, which is especially handy if you love gaming. The magnetic bit holder helps you keep track of those tiny screws that can easily get lost, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to work with for extended periods. With over 5,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the kit being a bit too bulky for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about PC building or repairs, having that variety of tools at your disposal is totally worth it. It might be a little more than you need for simple tasks, but for anyone looking to dive deeper into electronics, this is a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a tech enthusiast or someone who regularly tinkers with electronics. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple screwdriver for occasional use. For the price, you get a lot of value, making it a great deal. Now, if the bulkiness of SDREBITO's set concerns you, the next one might be a more compact solution. Product number 2, iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. The iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit is another standout option. Priced at $94.72, it's on the higher end, but it boasts a lifetime warranty that speaks volumes about its durability. If you want a toolkit that's designed specifically for electronics repair, this is definitely worth considering. This means you're not just getting random tools. Each piece is chosen for its functionality in repairing computers and smartphones. The magnetic case ensures that tools stay organized and secure, which adds to the ease of use. Plus, thousands of free repair guides available through iFixit make this a great choice for both beginners and seasoned techies who want some guidance. That said, some users have mentioned that the price seems steep for a basic toolkit. But I'd argue that the quality and the support you get with this toolkit justify that cost. If you're someone who values reliability and support, this price tag makes sense. This toolkit is perfect for DIY tech enthusiasts who want a reliable setup. Skip this if you only need to do light repairs occasionally, as the price might be more than you need to spend for those tasks. The investment is worthwhile for serious repairs and builds. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more extensive range at a lower price point. Product number 3, SHOWPIN 122-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. Next up is the SHOWPIN 122-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit, which is priced at just $21.47. This caught my eye because of its impressive range of 126 tools. If you want a versatile toolkit that doesn't break the bank, this one's worth a serious look. With 101 precision bits, this kit has everything from basic Phillips to more specialized bits, making it great for PC maintenance, RAM upgrades, and even smartphone repairs. The ergonomic design ensures your hand doesn't cramp up during long sessions, which is essential when you're working on intricate electronic devices. Plus, the dual magnet design minimizes the risk of losing screws, which can be a real headache when you're in the middle of a repair. But I did notice some complaints about the quality of the bits not being as high-end as some competitors. Here's the thing, if you're a hardcore builder, you might notice this. But for most casual users or those just getting into PC building, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It offers excellent value for someone looking for a comprehensive toolkit without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a toolkit that can handle a variety of tasks without spending too much. Skip this if you need a professional grade set, as it might not meet the durability expectations for heavy use. For the price, it's a fantastic budget-friendly option. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next toolkit might just impress you even more. Product number 4, SDREBITO Electric Screwdriver Set. The SDREBITO Electric Screwdriver Set is next on my list, priced at $50.54. This caught my attention because it adds some electric power to the mix. If you want to speed up your repairs and make your life easier, this is definitely worth a look. The adjustable torque settings let you control the power for different jobs, which is a game changer when dealing with delicate electronics. Plus, the magnetic design helps keep everything organized, so you won't lose those pesky tiny screws. However, I found some users noted that the electric aspect can sometimes be overkill for simple tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who regularly works on PCs or electronics, the time saved with this electric screwdriver can be invaluable. It's a great investment for frequent users. This is perfect for anyone who wants to make their repair work faster and easier. Skip this one if you're just doing basic repairs now and then, as the electric feature might seem unnecessary. Overall, it offers good value for those looking for enhanced efficiency. Now, if you're still looking for something that's compact and practical, the last product on my list might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, 80-in-1 Professional Computer Repair Toolkit. Last but not least, we have the 80-in-1 Professional Computer Repair Toolkit by Unimella, which is priced at $25.26. This caught my eye because of its comprehensive setup at such an affordable price. If you're looking for a reliable toolkit without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth considering. This set includes a variety of bits and tools specifically designed for electronics repairs, including a magnetizer and various spudgers. This means you can perform tasks like motherboard repairs or upgrading hardware with ease. The sturdy construction of the bits from S2 steel ensures they won't deform easily during use, providing durability that you can rely on. That said, some users did mention that the organization of the tools could be better. Here's the thing, while it may not be the most organized, the function and affordability make it a worthwhile purchase for anyone getting started. This toolkit is perfect for beginners or casual users who need a comprehensive set of tools without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're a pro looking for premium tools, as you might find it lacking in some areas. For the price, it's a solid value. So to wrap it up, we've got the SDREBITO Precision Screwdriver Set for versatility, the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit for reliability, the SHOWPIN Kit for budget friendliness, the SDREBITO Electric Screwdriver for efficiency, and the Unimella Toolkit for beginners. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most in your toolkit. Happy building!